It's so cold, snuggle weather. It was so cold I almost got married. I love fall and winter because it gives us more reasons to cuddle. Love keeps the cold out better than a cloak. Seasons may change from winter to spring, but I love you until the end of time, come what may. A snowflake is one of God's most fragile creations, but look what they can do when they stick together. Of winter's lifeless world, each tree now seems a perfect part, yet each one holds summer's secret deep down within its heart. I want your love to consume me like an oversized winter coat, hands clasped around my waist like buttons done up properly. You are warmer than the summertime, so I hold you through the wintertime, and love inside your eyes can turn a cloudy day to sunshine. Never are voices so beautiful as on winter's evening, when dusk almost hides the body, and they seem to issue from nothingness with a note of intimacy seldom heard by day. I wonder if the snow loves the trees and fields that it kisses them so gently, and then it covers them up snug, you know, with a white quilt, and perhaps it says, "Go to sleep, darlings." Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below.